So I'll show you the homework worksheet first.
Ma'am, I submitted the homework.
Yes,
Today
I know.
morning only.
Yes, I already told that I got Muhammad Muhammadis and Aisha Aga. Uh, sorry, Amina Aga. I'm remembering your sister now. Amina and Rashda also, she has done half worksheet. So that is fine. Even if you complete half, you can send it to me. Later on, you complete. And rest of the questions also you send. Okay, so that's no problem. This is a worksheet. Everyone has seen this worksheet. Now, whatever we have done till now, fraction, percent, and decimal. So I have given you all the subtopics, decimal to percent. We know how to do convert percent to decimal, decimal to fraction, fraction to decimal, fraction to percent, and percent to fraction. So all these questions are there. Now, how to do this? First one is convert decimal to percent. How do we convert? I want the method. I don't want the answer. What is a method to convert decimal to percent? Anything to percent. What do we do?
Now multiply by 100.
So here you have to multiply by 100. Okay. Now multiplication, you should know multiply by 100 is correct. Muhammad Muhammadi, I saw your answers were correct for first part. Means when you are multiplying by 100, that means, for example, I'm just showing you first example. I won't be doing all. So 1.55 into 100. How do you do this? See, writing steps means what you are doing, that you have to do. So you have to show like this: 1.5 into 100 is equal to, how much is it? 1, 5 and 0. Okay, this is the correct answer. And you have to write a percent sign because you are converting decimal to percent. So like this you have to do all the questions. Okay, understood how you have to solve? 1.5
Ma'am, we
into,
don't need to do multiplication. It was 1.55. So the
oh sorry,
answer can.
yeah, sorry, I missed it. It should be 1.55 only. Whatever the question is, question you should not change. Okay, so it will be 1.55 into 100 is equal to 155%. Okay, so this will
Ma'am,
be
we
your,
need to do all questions like that, like
yes,
this.
you have to do. So that's why I'm giving one example how you have to solve. Okay, so 155%. Now Muhammad Muhammadi, where is Muhammad Muhammadi? Please keep your cameras on now. Yeah, where is he? Are you ready now, Muhammad Muhammadi? I want to speak to you because what mistake you are doing, I have to correct that. Okay. Now, what you do, Muhammad? Can you listen? Can you hear me, Muhammad?
Yes.
Okay. So, what you
Yes, I
do,
can hear you.
yeah. So, what you have done, you do like this now, 1.55 into 100. Now, I do like this. I make it like this to make you understand. Okay. So, it is fine even if you are doing, but later on, don't do, just write 155 only. Okay. Do this in your mind. Is it clear?
Okay. Huh.
And do this
Okay.
arrow, do this in your mind. Okay, because initially in the
Yes.
beginning you can do, but in mind you remember that you have to shift 2 digits. So shift 2 digits. This I'm showing you that I'm doing this because I cannot show you my mind now, so I'm showing you this. Okay, I'm doing this in my mind. Okay, so this arrow don't write because it makes your work dirtier. Okay, initially for few questions, if you are not able to do, you do like this. Otherwise, do it in your mind that you are shifting 2 digits. Is it clear, everyone?
Okay.
Okay, so 155, you do like this. So this one is clear. First one is clear. Any doubt is there in first question? First question, any doubt is there? All the parts, it's clear. Okay. Now, convert percent to decimal. What do we do in converting percent to decimal? Reverse. What do we do?
We divide by 100.
So you have to divide by 100. So how will you write? Suppose I'm doing the first question, 184%. You will
Ma'am, you
write,
will remove the percent and write 184 by 100.
correct. You have to remove
Then you
the
will
percent.
simplify it.
Yes. Now it means, now in this question, Muhammadi, you have made mistakes because see, you are, whenever you are dividing a decimal number by 100,000, you have to shift the decimal to the left of the decimal. Now, where is decimal in 184, Ibrahim? Where is decimal? It is not visible. So where is it?
Ma'am, it's at the end.
It's at the end. So it is understood that the decimal is over here. Now, when
But
you shift,
ma'am, we are not writing it because it is not in
yes,
the question.
yeah, no, we are not writing because decimal in the end we don't write. It is a whole number only. Okay, whole number has got decimal at the end. So now
First we will do
184,
it to lowest form. Then we will.
you can do, no, don't do it to lowest form, because division by 100 is simpler in decimal, right? Because lowest form mein karoge, then you will have to divide and make it into decimal.
Ma'am, we
Yahan
just
pe
have to move it 2 places back, right?
did it the
Yes,
same,
yes.
ma'am.
You just have to move to 2 digits left. यहाँ पे decimal है, so move it left like this.
1.84.
So simple. When you have shortcut division for 100,000, don't make it in the lowest form, because 110 and 1000 ka multiplication and division is easy. It is a shortcut method. So you just got, see, 1.8.
Ma'am.
Now what you have
Ma'am, you taught us this arrow method. We need to shift 2 digits back,
left. Yeah,
left
I
and
have
right.
taught you, but many of you have
Ma'am.
forgotten. Let me explain, Munib, Abdullah's doubt. Now, Abdullah, you told that you will do the lowest form. Now, what happens when you do the lowest form? When you do the lowest form, you will get a fraction with some whole number denominator, which will not have a zero or anything. Okay? Then you will convert it into decimal. So how will you see? I'll show how you are going to do. You will get the correct answer.
Ma'am, 46
but it
upon
will-
25, ma'am. 46 upon 25.
Okay, 46 upon 25. Now you have to convert it into decimal. So this is long process. Now you will do 25 say divide karoge. This way you will convert it into decimal. You will get the same answer. You will get the correct answer.
Ma'am, but I got 1.844 and then all.
It's okay.
My answer.
1.84 you got, na? 1.84. So you got this answer, but see how much time it took and how much time it is taking over here. Less time, na? Is it clear? So why we have, our aim is that it should be less time consuming. So that is why I'm using this method, not this. This is a long cut method. Holding your ear like this or ear like this. You're getting same answer, right? So घुमा के नहीं कान पकड़ना है, सीधा पकड़ने का है, ठीक है? So that is why we will do this method and not this. Although you will get a correct answer. Okay. Yes,
Ma'am,
Munib.
always we are going to do the method which you showed.
You can do any method. I won't mark you wrong, but
Ma'am, the second question, which is convert percent to decimal, I did it whole like from I did lowest form, then I divided it. I did it the
to
long
do
way.
this. Now you remember this one, shifting this, because what happens now, if you get 10 questions in exam and then if you're following the long methods, you'll be able to do only 5 questions. Okay, although the 5 questions are correct. So that's why I'm telling you, just go for the shortcut methods. Okay, there are some shortcuts to do in maths. Mostly what happens, children get nervous while doing the paper. Why? Because some of the question they see that I'm missing some question, I'm not able to complete the question. You have fixed time to complete the paper. Okay, some of you might complete, some of you might leave some questions. So it should not happen like that. You should be able to attempt all the questions. So that is why it should be less time consuming and correct also. Answer should be correct. Yeah, Munib. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, I wrote 184% is equal to 184 divided by 100. Like I wrote it like this. I didn't write it in the fraction form.
No, you will write now 184 upon 100 you wrote na.
Now see, ma'am, wait, I will show. Like that, I wrote, ma'am, division.
Like that. Okay, no problem. No problem. You can write like that also, or 184 by 100, but you have to write this answer 1.84. Decimal mein you have to write. Okay.
I got that only.
ठीक है, you can write that way also. This is actually 184 divided by 100 only. You can write it in fraction form also, or you can write like this also, like Munib wrote. Understood na everyone how Munib wrote? Munib just wrote division sign. 184 divided by 100. Okay, this way also you can write, or this way also you can write. Don't put arrows. Arrows, do it in your mind. Okay, this I am showing so that you understand what I'm doing. Okay, Rashta, is it clear? Rashta, is it clear how to do, how to write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this way only you have to follow. Now, third question. Rest of the question you will complete. Everyone, you will complete 229.2 divided by 100. So 0.292 will be the answer.
I have done this till third one. Third one I have to do from fourth.
Okay. Complete and send it to me. Okay. Convert decimal to fraction. Now, how do we convert decimal to fraction? Who remembers? Anas, do you remember it? How do we convert decimal to fraction?
We have to multiply.
Multiply nahi. Tell me the process. Kya multiply? Tell me the process. How do we proceed to convert decimal? See, everything we have done. This is just a revision worksheet.
Ma'am, can I say?
Muhammadi, you have done now. Tell me, how do you convert decimal to fraction?
Ma'am, first you have to 0.91 first you have to multiply it by 100.
You will multiply by 100 because you want to remove the decimal, right? So when you are multiplying,
Same with the denominator also.
so you have to multiply with the denominator also. Denominator may 1 hai, so I'm not writing 1, just multiplying it with 100. So what are you getting? 0.91 into 100 is how much? Remove the decimal sign.
91
And
upon
Ma'am,
100.
91 upon 100.
so you got it in the fraction form because no lowest form. You cannot go for lowest form further. So your answer is here 91 by 100. Okay.
Ma'am, is it okay if you do it like just write the question and then you write the answer?
Yes, that also is fine because it is understood. Just small step is there. Even
Yes,
if you don't write the
I
step,
have not
so
written
it
that
is
much.
fine. You can write 187 by, so shortcut is what? 2 decimal you have to shift, divide with the same number of zeros. Okay. So now 0.723, what will be the answer? Anas, tell me what will be the answer if you convert 0.723 into fraction?
Fraction, first we will do 1.87.
No, 0.723 I'm asking.
0.723. 0.723. So we will multiply by 1000.
So what will be in fraction you have to convert?
723 upon 1000.
Correct. Okay. So this is your fraction. You cannot do it in the lowest form. So this way you have to convert. The third part is 720. So third question done, everyone. It is clear how to do. You just have to count the number of digits and divide by 100 or 1000, whatever it is. Okay. यहाँ पे 3 digits है. So 723 divided by 1000. Now the fourth one, convert fraction to decimal.
Ma'am, we will divide the numerator from the denominator.
Correct. And if you have 10, 100,000, so you can just shift the digits. Okay. So first one में तो 10 से divide किया हुआ है. So you can do it directly. You can do it. What is
1.8.
Yes.
1.8.
So this you can do directly. First one you can do directly. 1.8. 18 upon 10 is 1 point. This you can write directly. Okay. But 3 upon 20, or suppose 5 by 8. I'm doing 5 by 8. Okay. So 5 by 8. How will we do, Rashta?
You have to divide the numerator by the denominator.
You will divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay. So what will we do? What is my first step? 5 doesn't go by 8. It is smaller. So what will I put over here?
A decimal.
A decimal, and over here?
A 0.
So 8 how many times?
8 times 6 equals 48.
48. 2. Next step? Put a 0.
You add another 0.
8 2s are 16. 4 over here. Another 0. Okay. So your answer for this one is 0.625. Okay. Now what I want, you have to show this.
Ma'am, you did not write 1 over here.
Where?
2 minus 1 is 1.
Where is 2 minus 1? It is 20 minus 16 na. Borrow jayega na, Ibrahim. You always forget. यहाँ पे से borrow जाएगा. So 10 minus 6 is 4. I'm not cutting over here. Okay. 20 minus 16 directly I have written 4. So this is 0.625. Okay. So what I want, how you have to do when you're doing this, show this also here in front only. Okay. So that it is clear that you're not writing by using the calculator. You're doing it over here. Is it clear, everyone? How show the steps means this you have to show. The working you have to show in front. Okay. Don't write the answer directly. Now convert fraction into percent. Yes.
Ma'am, I am doing the working on the side, like I'm writing the question and I'm doing the working on the side of the page.
On the side
So
of
is
the
it
page. No, do wherever you're writing the question, like I wrote 18 by 10. Okay.
ma'am, see on the same page only, but where I wrote the question not there, but like I write from the left side. So
That I'll see in the notebook, but try to do it there only, because sometimes what happen, all the rough work is together, so it is very difficult to find out you have done, where have you done. Okay. So if your rough work is neat, that is fine, but do it in that question, wherever you're doing the question. If you do it there only, it is clear that you're doing the same question. Okay. So it is easier for me to check. Checking on laptop is very difficult. You have to zoom it and then check it. And if you're writing with pencil, sometimes you click picture aisa tedha karke. So I have to do like this and check. I cannot rotate also. Okay? So that is why so much hard work is there. That's why I tell you to click picture seedha. Don't click it like this. Okay?
Ma'am, we do it straight only, but in mobile phone, when we send you on computer, it shows vertical. So that's why you horizontal.
Vertical is fine. No, I got your answers. No, for your class, I
I mean,
got
you should
straight.
check it on the mobile phone. It is easier that way.
Mobile is very small screen, na. Sometimes I
You
check
can
on
zoom
mobile.
it.
Huh?
You can zoom
I
it
can.
easy.
Ma'am, you have 2 accounts on Google Classroom.
I have account, na, Google Classroom. That's
No,
why
you have a mobile and a computer.
I
You
have
have
a
2
mobile
accounts.
also.
So,
Many
ma'am, you
times
can check on mobile.
sometimes I check on mobile, but the science answers, na, you cannot check on mobile. Maths answer you can check, because you have to read the whole sentence. That's why it gets difficult. Okay, it's for me it is better on this thing, because bigger screen is there, na. So that's why I keep on telling you, click clear pictures and write it with pen, so that sometimes when you click picture with your when you're writing with pencil, it is very light, and sometimes it's not clear what numbers you're writing, so it becomes difficult.
And ma'am, on pen, when it is something wrong, then we need to cut it and then we need to write.
It's
So
okay,
we can't erase.
you can strike like this and write. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Chalo, next question.
Ma'am, in the 5th question, the first one I had a doubt. I didn't understand how to do that question.
Fifth one. Okay, coming to the fifth one. Wait, my cursor again gone somewhere. What is fifth one? Convert fraction. Wait. Okay, convert
Fraction to percent.
fraction to percent. What do you do in fraction to percent? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Multiply by 100.
Yes, multiply by 100. So which question you have doubt? This one, 33 by
The
20.
first one. No, only the first one. The rest one I know.
I'm doing the first one. 3 by 16. When you multiply by 100, you have to do it in the lowest form. Okay? And answer should be in percent. When you are writing this, your answer will come in percent. I don't know.
Oh, it will go by 2.
It will go by 2. So
2 8s and 2
2
50s.
8 and 2.
But I got an answer in fraction then, ma'am.
so you'll get in fraction, convert it into decimal. You can do that. Wait, I'll show it on a white screen and some problem is occurring on PPT. Remember the question 3 by 16, na? So
Yeah.
question is 3 by 16. So sometimes this goes mad. It's not under my control. 3 by 16 into 100. Okay, 2 8s and
2 50s
2 5s 10 and 0. Then again 2 4s and 2
2
25s.
4s
So you
2
got
25s
25 3s are 75 divided by 4%. Okay, so you can leave like that also, but better to convert it into decimal. Now how will you convert it? You know how to convert fraction into decimal. Divide it. 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7 minus kiya to
3
35, फिर 4 8s are
4 8 20.
then 3. What will happen? Put a decimal. 0, 7, 28, 2. You'll get the same thing now. 4 5s are. So 18.75%. Is it clear, Amina?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you stop there? Why did you do ahead?
Why didn't you do?
No,
What?
the division you stopped, no?
Because you
It keeps on going, then you can stop it.
but it's not going na. 30 minus 28 is 2. 4 5s are 20. Cancel ho gaya. 0 ho gaya.
You did not write, no, so I thought you stopped over.
Nahi, I did not write because I got this na.
0 it came. That's why she wrote across.
नहीं, I don't continue because I know 4 5s are 20 है, so मेरे को इसका काम नहीं है. I have to, I want this 18.75, so I wrote this. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, 5 came down now. After 4 1s are 4, then 5 came down, so it became 35, right?
Yes. Normal division that you do.
Ma'am, you did not write arrows, so I was confused, ma'am.
Now we'll not write arrows. Okay? This is just to show you. When you're doing in your notebook, don't put arrows now. Now you are not in small class. Okay? So don't put arrows. Everything you have to do mentally now. Okay? This I show so that you don't get confused. It is coming down. The 0 is on your own. Okay? Okay, coming to the next question now. Yeah. So we did this. Fraction to percent is clear. Now percent to fraction. How will you convert percent to fraction? 96.2%. Who will answer? Munir.
Ma'am, 96
I
point.
have to.
Percent to fraction. Percent, whenever percent is there, what will you do?
You'll divide by 100.
You will divide by 100. So remove the percent sign and divide by 100. Okay. And you have to convert it into fraction. So what will happen? 2 decimal, where you will shift?
Ma'am, you will should backward. It will be 0.962.
0.962. Can you convert it into fraction? How to convert? You have done over here. Decimal to fraction. How will you convert?
Multiply 100 and then add 100.
Multiply by 1000 because 3 digits are there. So, and divide by 1000. Multiply by 1000 and divide by 1000. Then bring it to the lowest form. What is lowest form? 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, and 2 1s are 2. And here it is 2 5s are 10 and 0 and 0. So 481. 481 upon 500 is in fraction. Is it clear? How to
Yes,
convert?
ma'am.
Is there any doubt now? I don't want to hear that we have not understood or whatever, because I have explained everything. Okay, Anas, is it clear? The method is explained. You have to divide by 100 over here and then bring it into
Ma'am,
convert
can you explain a fraction to decimal? One more question.
fraction to decimal. You have to divide 39 by 25. Okay, so this तो easy है, 17 by 10 तो हो जाएगा. Now 39 by 25, so 39 divided by 25. ठीक है, Ibrahim, 25 how many times will go for 39?
25 ones are 25.
25 ones are 25. So 9 minus 5 is how much? 4.
4.
And 3
3
minus
minus is 1.
1. Now nothing is there. So what will
We'll
happen?
add a 0.
You will add a 0 over here. And what will we do over
Yes.
here?
25 4s are, no, 25 5s are 125.
25 5s are 125. So
Ma'am, you
10,
did not write 5, ma'am.
where?
Up.
5s are. So
25 5s are 125. Then 0 minus 5 is not possible, so 4 will become 3.
So 3 minus 2, 1, and 10 minus 5 is
Yeah.
5.
And
Okay.
1 minus 1 0. Okay.
One
And
more.
then we will add one more 0. Then again 25 5. Ma'am,
So it-
25 5s are 125. No,
But
26 are 150. Sorry. Then
you got 1.56. Is it clear?
so we will divide by like one
You will divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay? If it is 10 or 100 division, you will just shift the decimal. Okay? Short form. Is it clear? Ibrahim, is it clear now? Okay. Okay. So coming to the next. We were doing this question. Okay, 7% of rupees 7150. Write down these questions because we'll be doing it, and the methods you have to remember. Since you people don't do it in the notebook, that's why you forget it. Okay. So what did we do? 7% of 7150. You had doubt. Did you go through the question at home? Have you understood this question, or do you want me to explain once
no,
again?
ma'am, we did not. I did not
Explain.
understand.
Ma'am, I'll be back in one.
First one I'm explaining again. Okay, 7% of rupees 7150. So your answer should be in rupees, but what is
Ma'am, 7 upon 100 multiplied by
7% is 7 upon 100. Convert it into fraction.
multiplied by
Of
7150.
into. Now you have 7150. Okay, bring it into lowest form. 5 se jayega, 5 2s are 10, and this one is 5 1s are 5, and 2 5 4s are 20, and then you have 1 5 3s are 15. So your answer should be rupees 7 into 143 divided by 2. Okay, there are two methods to solve. Either you multiply 7 and 143 and then divide by 2, or you can do divide 7 by 2 or 143 by 2 and solve it. Okay, so I am just dividing 7 by 2 and then I'll multiply it with 143. So see what I am getting. I am dividing 7 by 2. I'll get 2 3s are 6 because ye chote number hai, so I am dividing these. Then you put a decimal, you put a 0, and you got 3 5s are 10. Okay, so 7 by 2 I have divided, I got 3.5. So my answer will be rupees 3.5 into 143. Now I can multiply 3.5 and 143 over here. So I'll put 143 on the top and 3.5 here. Now you remember decimal multiplication. 5 3s are
15.
5 4s are 20, 21. Carry 2. 5 1s are 5, 6, 7. Then here you put a 0. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. Carry 1. 3 1s are 3.
4.
Plus 1 4. So here you have 5. 9 plus 1, 10.
0.
10. And here
8 plus 2 will be 10. So 0. 5
so
0
4 plus 1 5. Where will I put the decimal?
Ma'am, 500.5. Ma'am, one digit. Before
One digit. So your answer is rupees 500.5. Okay. So if a particular, so just go for shortcut. I saw that 7 and 2 is smaller, so I divided this and then I multiplied this. Okay. You multiply and then you can divide by 2. That is also correct. You divide 143 by 2 and then multiply by 7. That is also correct. So any way you go, you will get the same answer. See, yesterday I showed you two methods. I multiply 7 into 143 and then divided by 2. I got the same answer. Then I did 143 divided by 2 and then multiplied by 7. I got the same answer. Okay? Because multiplication, division, you can do anything can be done first if you have only multiplication and division. Okay? Is it clear now? The first question, everyone? Written the first question.
Yes,
Write
ma'am.
down the first question. All of you. All the questions should be done in your notebook. Okay. Now, next one you do 40% of 400 kg. Write down the question 40% of 400 kg and give me the answer. Same way you have to do 40% is 40 by 100 into 400 kg. Answer should be in what? Answer should be in
kg.
kg.
Yes. So unit is also important. If you don't write unit, marks are deducted. So unit you should write.
Ma'am, 160 kg, ma'am.
Okay. Others also give me the answer. Those who have done second, start with the third one. I'm erasing whatever is done over here.
And 160 kg.
Okay. It is 40 by 100 into 400.
160 kg, ma'am. We
Okay.
will cut the both zero.
Both zero you cut.
Ma'am. So, 4 1 are 4.
So 4 4s are 60
44
and
are
0.
equal to 160.
So second part answer is 160 kg. I have done over here. Third part, anybody has done the third question? 20 by 100 into 15.125. 10 say 10 you can cancel. 2 ka 0 and 2 5s are 10.
It will be third wala will be 3.25 liters.
5 3s are 15.0. Then 3.0, 3 4s are 12 and 3 1. So it is 3.041 liters, Munib. Okay. I'll show you the division if you don't understand. 15, what I did, the third part, is it clear to you, third part? Are you getting 3.041? How I got it, you have to ask me, because I am doing half of the calculation mentally. You have to ask me what I did if you don't understand. Okay.
Yes, what did you do? Can you explain?
Okay.
See, ma'am, after you did 21s and 25s,
Okay,
I did.
you have written the question. I will explain it on this thing, whiteboard, because I'm not able to write it on this. So
Yes, ma'am, I've written the question. Ma'am, we will do it into two. Ma'am, we will do it in 3.941. We get from
question. What is the question?
20% of 15.125 liters.
Okay. So what I'll do? 20 by
20
100.
by 100 into 15.125 liters.
15.125. Okay. So 10 say 10 I cut, and 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10 I did. Okay. Then 5 and this I can cut. So because it is difficult for you to do it directly, you can divide it by 5 over here. It is actually what? This is actually 15. Then you are getting 15.125 upon 5 you are getting, right? You are getting this?
Yes, ma'am. So 5 1s are.
So I'll divide it by 5. So when you divide it by 5, you're getting 5 threes are 15,
Yes.
and cross here
Zero.
a decimal, and then
Point.
1 will come down. 1 doesn't go, okay? So 0, I'll put another digit. So two digits I'm bringing down. Whenever I bring 2 digits down together, I have to put 1 0. When I bring 3 digits down together, I'll put 2 zeros. You remember that? So I brought 1 and 2 together. So
Ma'am, why are they coming slanting, ma'am?
because I'm writing over here now. That is why it is coming slanting. Make it straight in your notebook. Okay? Understand what we are doing. So 3 4.
I did like this, ma'am.
It's
I
okay.
did like 5 ones are, and then 5 threes are, and then I did going on, and I like 5 twos are 10, and then 5 fives are 25. That
Ma'am,
why
this is multiplication
Ma'am,
or division,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
5 fours are 20, ma'am, and you wrote 12. 5 fours.
Oh, uh, sorry. 5 twos are 10. Sorry.
Ma'am, this is division, na, ma'am.
Yes, this is division. Is it clear? Is it correct now? Check my answer.
So, ma'am, what is this, ma'am?
5 twos are 10. This
What
is
is
division.
this? No, this
अरे
cross,
zero
ma'am.
zero put करो या cross put करो. I don't know what you
Okay.
put. Sometimes
Ma'am,
I
you
put
know what I did was, ma'am, I did that. I removed the zeros, then I wrote below 10, I wrote 2, and then I divided 15.125 with
by
5,
10.
so 5.
By 10, na you divided.
No, ma'am, with
Or
5 because I
so
removed. So 5 twos are 10, and Uber also 2 was left, so I cut the both 2 also, so only.
so you did this way only, na? The way which I did. You did this way only. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, and then you divided
No,
15.125
ma'am, I
by
didn't do like that. No, I did
then
something else, ma'am.
you got the same answer, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you? Then it is correct. Okay? If you're getting this answer, that means it is correct. So anyway, you can do. There are so many methods. Just go for, just get the correct answer. Okay? And go for the short method. So is it clear now? I'm going to the next question now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll do it on whiteboard only. Just write down the next question. Next question is 3 1/3% of 90 kilometer.
What, ma'am?
3 1/3. Wait, I'm writing. 3 1/3% of 90 kilometers. Okay, what will you do? You'll convert it first.
To improper fraction.
Yes. What is that?
10 upon 3.
Percent of 90 kilometers. Then you have to divide. You
Multiply.
have to divide. Percent hai. Percent ko when you convert, you have to divide. When we were dividing, na, right? So you will divide it by 100. You know the fraction division. And then here you will multiply by 90 kilometer. So first you do this thing. Division may, what do we do in division? We put a multiplication sign and do the reciprocal, right? So 1 0 say 1 0 cut. This 1 0 say this 1 0 will cut. This 3 ones are 3 and this is 3 threes are 9. So your answer is 3 kilometers. Now see what have I done? Whenever percent sign is there you have to remove the percent sign and divide by 100. So I have removed the percent sign and divided by 100 because it is already a fraction. So यहाँ पे नीचे एक और denominator, it would be confusing. So I have written divided by 100. Now in fraction division,
I also got 3 kilometers.
yes, in fraction division, you know, you have to replace the division sign with multiplication and do the reciprocal of the divisor. So I did the reciprocal. 100 is 100 by 1. So 1 by 100. And then, you know, 3 multiplication, you can do the lowest form. So all these things we have done, we are using it in solving. Okay? So this was your what, fourth question, na? Next one is fifth.
Yes, fifth question we will do now.
So fifth question is 2.5% of 600 meters. 2.5% of 600 meters. Those who are facing difficulty, please ask, because when I give you homework, then you don't understand.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the fourth question.
The fourth question, what have you not understood, Rashta? You have to explain me. What have you not understood?
The whole
Which
question.
this step is clear. The whole question, how is it possible? What have I done in this question? Tell me, what have I done? What have I done to 3 1 by 3? What have I done over here? Tell me.
Ma'am, 15.0 is the answer.
Which question you're doing,
Ma'am,
Abdullah?
the 2.5% of 600.
Okay, wait, let me explain. What did I do? I told also what I am doing over here. Because you are busy chatting with someone and then you forget, then you don't hear what I'm saying. What did I do?
Yes,
This
yes.
3 1 by 3. What did I do? How can I make it 10 by 3?
You convert to improper fraction.
This is improper fraction. I have converted it to improper fraction. You remember when you were in rights, I explained you how to convert mixed fraction into improper. You have to multiply 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 3. If you have forgotten the method, please go back to the previous classes and revise, okay? Because it is very important. Every time I cannot teach the same thing. 10 by 3%. So 10 by 3% of 90 kilometer. Now you know whenever percent is there, you have to divide. Agar yahan pe, if it would have been 10%
10 by
of
3 divided by
what we
100.
do, 10 by 100 we do, right? We divide by 100. But here it is already a fraction, so I put a division sign and I wrote 100. Now in fraction division, whenever you are dividing in fraction, the division sign is replaced by multiplication, and this is 100 by 1, and the divisor is done the reciprocal. Okay, this all we are utilizing whatever we have done in the previous
Ma'am,
class.
we do the
So
reciprocal.
you have
We
to
write it
remember
ulta,
that.
na?
Then is
Ma'am,
it
we write it
clear?
ulta, na?
Wait, Ibrahim. I'm explaining it to Rashda. Yeah, Rashda, is it clear to you know now what we did?
Yes, ma'am.
So two techniques we used: conversion to improper and division of fractions. Yes, Ibrahim. Now you tell me what was your doubt.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
we write the reciprocal when we get 10 by we got 10 by 3 and 100 by 1, so it was it we write the reciprocal,
division.
na?
Yes, we always do the reciprocal. Okay, whenever fraction division is there, two fractions are divided. Now, what answer you got for this? 2.5%.
15.0, but it will be 15 only then. Then 15.0.
2.5 into 6 is how much?
2.5 into 6. 15. 150. 150.
150,
And then,
one
and
decimal.
1 0 is
So you
equal
can
to
write 15 meters is
15
the answer.
meters.
So write down this question also. You can revise the questions that we did in the class to understand in a better way that what we did and what are how we'll do when the same type of question is asked again. So now off wala question is
Ma'am,
clear to you all.
Ma'am, after I want to ask something.
Ask me now. I have done.
Ma'am, when you wrote 1 by 100, you wrote the reciprocal. So, ma'am, after that you did the lowest form, na? 3 ones are 3.
Cancellation I did. Those zeros, 1 0 I cut it with this 0. 1 0 I cut it with this 0, because top me you can cancel. When multiplication is there, we have done this fraction multiplication. You can cancel it. Okay? And then I cancelled 3 and 9. I was left with 9s.
So,
3
ma'am,
ones are
how come 3 came, ma'am?
3 threes are 9. Na? 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Only 3 is left. 3 into 1 and niche kuch bhi nahi hai. So 3 kilometers.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So that will be all for today's class. So we have done till here. Next class we'll be doing some more questions on fractions only. But during this 10 days, just go through the fraction, decimal and percentage, whatever we have done, how to convert. Okay, so that whenever we do questions, you should be knowing it. Yeah.
But from when we are getting holidays?
This is the last week. Next week onwards, means Friday onwards. You can, for us it is Friday, from Friday. Okay. Fine.
Officially, it's from Monday, ma'am. 25th Jan. From 25th
Yeah.
Jan to
But we don't have class
February
on
5.
Friday, na? We don't have class on Friday, so for us it will be from Friday. Everyone
Ma'am,
complete your
from
worksheets.
Friday till ma'am.
Hmm?
The holidays are beginning from Friday till
Till whole next week. Then next Monday it will start. Okay? Next to next Monday. Okay, then that's all. So complete your homework, everyone. Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.